In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create groups in Google Workspace. If you're managing a team or an organization, creating a group can be incredibly efficient for communication and collaboration. So let's get started with the step-by-step process to set up groups seamlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace, the suite of cloud computing, productivity, and collaboration tools developed by Google. Once you're there, your next move is to click on the Admin Console. The Admin Console is your command center where you have centralized control over your organization's settings and features. Next, you'll need to log in using your business email. Ensure you use the account with the necessary administrative privileges to make these changes. Once you've logged in, look towards the top right of the page where you'll find the Google Apps menu, that array of tiny squares. Click on it, and this will reveal a drop-down list of available applications. Locate and click on the admin icon from this menu. Now, you're in an environment where you can manage users, devices, and settings to ensure your data stays secure. Your next step is to click on Directory. The directory is where you'll manage user accounts and organizational units, setting the groundwork for creating your group. Within the directory column, click on Groups. This section allows you to view existing groups or initiate a new one. Look for the button that says Create a Group and give it a click. Now, it's time to get creative with your group details. Start by typing in the group's name. The name should clearly reflect the group's purpose so everyone knows exactly what the group is for. After naming your group, you'll need to type in the group email. This email will be the central communication address that aligns with your Google Workspace domain. Now add a group description. This description provides context and details about the group's purpose, making sure everyone is aligned. Once everything looks good, click on Next to proceed. The next section involves choosing the appropriate access type for your group. This setting determines who can join the group, who can view group content, and so forth. Choose wisely based on your organization's needs. Following this, adjust the access settings. You can refine permissions and privacy settings to suit your group's collaborative and security preferences. Finally, once you've double-checked all your inputs and settings, click on Create Group. Congratulations, you've just created a new group in Google Workspace. This collective can now receive emails, share documents, and facilitate team collaboration efficiently. Remember, managing groups within Google Workspace is not only about creating them, but ensuring they function smoothly and meet your team's evolving needs. Adjust settings when necessary and remind your team about any updates or rules you implement. Thank you for watching this instructional guide, and I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below.